Hello, Richard here at Cantian. Running multiple job scheduling tools within any IT team can be problematic. It's tricky to see the whole schedule, the whole picture. You often have multiple people, multiple teams learning different scheduling tools, or dependency maybe on one person knowing a particular tool or how to schedule JDE jobs, for instance. And the same is true within JDE sites as well. A lot of the customers we talk to have started out with using the native JDE scheduler. They'll also perhaps use Windows scheduler if they're running on IBMI, the IBMI native scheduler as well. And of course, they're running multiple platforms with each platform running its own scheduling tool, applications using their own native scheduling tool. So as well as the physical, practical issue of managing different tools, it also impacts things like dependency management across applications, between applications. So again, what are your choices? With Rev Scheduler, it runs natively on multiple platforms, first of all. It runs natively on Windows, Unix, Linux, Oracle, IBMI. The idea being is that the same tool can be used to schedule jobs on any of those environments. And of course, it can be used to schedule your JD Edwards jobs as well. So having one tool to manage all applications, all platforms, there's clearly benefit there. Initially, however, you may just be focused on wanting to manage your JD Edwards jobs better and nothing more than that, and that's fine. What's important is that, and what we found through our experience of doing implementations with customers, is that yes, today the emphasis, the objectives are around getting better control and visibility of the JD Edwards schedule. Then a few months after that, 6 months, 12 months, whatever, the desire to automate more processes upstream and downstream of JDE comes along. And then it's really important to ensure that the job scheduling tool you use can very easily manage and control jobs running on other platforms and replacing effectively other scheduling tools as you need. So if you want to have a talk to us about scheduling your JDE jobs and understanding really what the potential roadmap might be going forward for you to look at spreading that automation into other systems, other areas, give us a call, drop us an email, and we'll be delighted to have a chat.